Hello, hi, welcome to Read to Talk. This is a real style podcast in simple English. We speak slowly, we keep it natural. I'm Luma.
Hi, everyone. I'm Steve. And today we talk about February.
Yes, talking about February in English.
February is a funny month.
Funny?
Yes, it feels different. And it is short.
True. February is the second month of the year, and it is the only month with fewer than 30 days.
It's like February is the small month.
Yes, it has 28 days most years.
Most years?
Yes, sometimes it has 29 days.
Ah, leap year.
Exactly.
So, what is a leap year?
A leap year is every 4 years. We add one extra day, February 29,
One extra day. I like that. More time to rest.
or more time to work.
No, rest.
People also say February is short, so sometimes it feels fast.
Yes, wait, it's March already?
Exactly. February can bring different feelings. It depends on where you live.
Yes, because weather.
Right. In some places, February is winter. Cold, dark, snow.
And in other places, February is warm.
Yes, like in Brazil, February is usually summer.
Summer February sounds nice.
It can be hot and busy.
But in winter places, people talk about the winter blues.
Yes, let's explain that. Winter blues means you feel a little sad or tired because it's cold and dark.
So it's like low energy.
Exactly, low energy.
I understand. When I don't see the sun, I feel sleepy.
Another word people use is gloomy.
Gloomy?
Gloomy means the weather is dark, gray, cloudy, and it feels a bit depressing.
Like the sky is saying, no happiness today.
Yes,
What about cabin fever? I hear this sometimes.
great one. Cabin fever is when you stay inside too long. You feel stuck. You feel restless.
Restless, like you want to move.
Yes, you want to go out, but the weather is bad or it's too cold.
So you walk around your house like a confused animal.
Exactly.
And slump?
A slump is when your mood goes down, your energy goes down, you feel unmotivated.
Unmotivated, like I don't want to do anything.
Yes,
I get that sometimes. Not only in February.
same, but people often say February can feel like a slump month. Let's talk about weather words for February.
Okay.
In cold places, people say it's freezing, it's snowy, it's windy.
And in rainy places, it's rainy, it's cloudy.
Yes, and a very useful word is chilly.
Chilly means cold.
Yes, but not freezing. Chilly is cold and uncomfortable, but not extreme.
Like, I need a jacket.
Exactly.
In warm places, people might say, it's hot, it's humid, I'm sweating.
Yes, humid means the air feels wet and heavy.
Like your shirt says, help me.
In winter places, the end of February can bring a change.
A change like spring?
Yes, people say the snow starts to melt.
Melt.
Yes, melt means ice becomes water. Another word is thaw.
Thaw?
A thaw is when ice and snow start to melt because it gets warmer.
So it's like winter is slowly leaving.
Exactly. People see small signs: more light, a warmer day, less snow.
That sounds hopeful.
Yes, February can feel hard, but it also shows small hope.
In winter places, people stay inside more.
Yes, they cozy up.
Cozy up. I like that phrase.
Cozy up means you get warm and comfortable. You use a blanket, you drink something hot, you stay home.
Hot chocolate.
Perfect. Or tea, or coffee.
Always coffee. So, what do people do at home?
Indoor hobbies. Reading, cooking, baking, cleaning, organizing.
Organizing? In February?
Yes, some people like a fresh start. They clean a closet, they declutter.
Declutter means remove old stuff.
Yes, less mess.
I need that. My home is controlled chaos.
Same. February has some famous dates.
Like Valentine's Day.
Yes, Valentine's Day is on February 14th.
Chocolate companies love that day.
True. People give cards, flowers, chocolate, and some people do a simple date.
Or pizza at home.
Yes, simple is sweet.
In the United States, February is also Black History Month.
Yes, it's a month to learn and remember important history.
And sometimes there is Chinese New Year in February.
Yes, sometimes it's in January, sometimes February. It depends on the lunar calendar.
February is busy.
It can be.
And in Brazil, February can have carnival.
Yes, many people travel, dance, and celebrate.
So February can be cozy or crazy.
Great line. Now, how do people stay positive?
They buy more snacks.
That's one way, but let's give real simple ideas.
Okay.
Idea 1. Accept that February can be slower. Not every month feels exciting.
So lower expectations.
Yes, you can lower your expectations. That means you don't demand too much of yourself.
That feels kind.
It is kind.
What else?
Small things that help your mood. A short walk, a warm shower, a good playlist, talking to a friend.
Or sunlight, if you have it.
Yes, even 10 minutes of sun can help.
And self-care?
Yes, February is a great month for self-care.
Self-care means taking care of yourself.
Exactly. Rest, sleep, good food, a calm night, a break from stress.
And maybe less phone at night.
That's also self-care.
My phone will be sad.
Your brain will be happy. Lastly, Steve, tell a short February story, something real.
Okay. Last February, I felt tired. I didn't want to do much.
A slump?
Yes, a slump. I came home. I sat on the couch. I scrolled on my phone.
That can make it worse.
Yes. So one day, I tried something small.
What did you do?
I made tea. I put on music. I cleaned my desk for 5 minutes.
5 minutes is good.
And it helped. My room looked better. My brain felt better.
Small actions can change your mood.
Yes. February doesn't need a big plan, just a small plan.
I love that. Let's do a quick recap time. Simple words from today. Leap year. Every 4 years, February has 29 days. Winter blues. Feeling sad or tired in winter. Gloomy. Dark, gray weather. Cabin fever. Feeling stuck inside too long. Slump. Low energy, low motivation. Chilly. Cold but not freezing. Thaw. Snow and ice start to melt. Cozy up. Get warm and comfortable. Self-care. Take care of yourself.
That's a lot, but it's useful.
Yes, and you don't need to memorize everything today.
Just listen and get used to it.
Exactly. Thank you for listening to Read to Talk.
If this was easy to understand, like this video.
And subscribe for more simple English listening.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.